Hello guys, this is Shepard from Season Piano Lessons. In our today's video, we'll be talking majorly on triads. Like I said in our previous video, I said we're going to talk about triads on our today's lesson. So in our previous video, we talked about how to identify the minor scales. Remember, we'll talk about the minor scales, about how we can identify the minor scales. Right now, today's video, we're talking about majorly on the triads. Theoretically, there are 4 triads. We have the Major Triad, the Minor Triad, we have the Diminished Triad, and we have the Augmented Triad. Alright? Well, let's repeat one more time. We have the Major Triad, we have the Minor Triad, we have the Diminished Triad, we have the Augmented Triad. There are some people who add the Suspended Triad to it, but why some places they remove the Suspended Triads. Alright, so we'll talk about that. Okay, let me take my hands. Okay, so we'll talk on each and every one of them. Alright, first of all, we'll go to the Major Triad. What does the Major Triad constitute of? Let's say in the key of C. I'll use C as an example, or using the key of C as an example. Alright, so how can we get the Major Triad? The Major Triad, just like you play your normal chord. It's like a normal C major chord. What's the chord? Combination of notes. Your chord is a combination of notes. Let's say, for example, the C. The first chord, which you know as the Do. The first chord, which you know as the Do chord, constitutes of what? The C, E, and G, which we call the Do, the Mi, and the Sol. This is a chord. This is a major chord. Sorry to say, this is a major chord. This is a major chord. For example, let's go over again. Because why? This is the root chord, and we are not moving our notes. We're not moving anything. Major chord. Major chord. All right. Major chord. These are all major chords. Major chord. Why? Because we are playing. We are not making it a minor, so it's a major chord because why? It constitutes of the original position of a note. The original position of a note. You have not shifted, you have not drifted any note. The original position of a note is the major of that note. From the major, that's where you derive your minor. That's where you derive your diminished chords. That's where you derive your augmented from the major. Alright, this major constitutes of what I said before. It consists of, like in the key of C. In the key of C, we have 3 majors, we have 3 minors, like 3 major chords, 3 minor chords, and 1 diminished chord. Our Do, the Do, which we call Do, is called like the C major is called a major chord. It's a major chord because we are not moving, we have not started moving or anything. It's a major chord. Fa is a major chord. Sol is a major chord. Do is a major chord. So Do is a major chord, Fa is a major chord, and Sol is a major chord. Alright? Let's go to the key of C sharp. Major chord. It consists of Do, Mi, and Sol. In the key of the Fa consists of Do, Mi, and Sol. In the key of F sharp, Sol, Do, Mi, and Sol. So your Do, your major chords consist of Do, Mi, and Sol notes. Alright? So let's go to the minor. This is major. The minor is very simple. What we do is that we move our hand. The middle finger, if there is in between these 3 fingers, you are moving this middle one upwards. Major, minor. Alright? That's just the difference between major and minor. major, minor, major in the key of C sharp, minor, move from this to this, minor, major in the key of D, minor, major in the key of E flat or D sharp. This is the minor of it. Alright, so that is it for minor, moving our finger like this. Then for diminish, we're moving two halves, moving both our fingers, these two fingers, 2 half steps upwards, like this. Half step, half step. This is diminished chord, a diminished triad. Alright, this is diminished triad. This is diminished triad, major triad or major chord, diminished triad or diminished chord. Alright, major one more time, diminish, major triad, diminished triad, major triad, diminished triad. Then for the augmented triad, similar. In the augmented triad, what we are doing is that we're moving this one, moving our third or top the 4th finger upward. Depends on how you are holding your major. You can hold your major like this, moving the 3rd finger. Alright, so moving the 4th finger upward. This is an augmented triad or augmented note. So let's go over again. The major triad or the major chord. Alright, I say it consists of what? Of the do notes, the mi notes and the sol notes. Then minor constitutes of this do note in the key of C, consists of the do notes. Then it consists of the flat 3, called the flat 3, because this is 3 and I'm flattening it. Alright, then the 5th note. Alright, so then we have the diminish, constitute of the do notes, the flat 3rd and the flat 5th. Then we have the augmented, which constitutes of just the sharp 5th. The sharp 5th consists of the augmented. Alright, so that's how we get our triad. That's how we can obtain our triads. Very simple, straight. Major, minor, diminished, augmented. Then for the suspended, we have the sus2 and the sus4. They can act as triad, they can't act as triad, so it depends. So this is our major, sus2, sus4, sus2, do and re, and the 5th sus4. What's it called? Fa and so. It's called the sus2 because while you're adding your re to it, re is the 2 notes. Sus2, sus4. You're adding your the fa to it. Fa is the 4th note. Alright. So that is it for today's class. Today's class is mainly about how we can identify them. So in our next class, we'll be talking about how we can put these triads into play, how we can use them, and how we can develop on them to play complex chords like the 7th chords, the 9th chord, the 13th chord, the 11th chord, and so on and so forth. Alright, and the altered chords. So with this principle, with you knowing your major, your minor, your augmented, your diminished, and your suspended, you can play literally everything. You can sound beautiful. Let's say for example, now we can start using passing chord and the diminished 7th chord. guys for watching our videos. Remember to subscribe, click on the like button. So